Hi, I'm Thomas Register, principal at ExitPoints.com. One of the things about futures trading is that futures trading has traditionally been done in a more discretionary fashion. And what that means is that people make their own trading decisions. One thing that is definitely evident is that whenever you're trading the markets are always going to go against you. They make you think that there is some similarities involved, meaning that, oh, the market went up 15 points yesterday, so it's going to go up 15 points today. But the problem with that is that whenever you start believing that and you have that emotion that you want to gamble one more time on this one more aspect, then the market will inevitably go a different way and thus lose money. 80% of people who trade futures actually trade discretionary, and they get caught in their emotions and they lose. Our systems are automated so that we eliminate the emotion. We don't want to look at individual aspects of a market and say, oh, well, it did this at this point, it's going to do this again. Because the markets are being an emotion of people, all these trades out there going on, everyone has this emotion in it. You tend to capture the wrong side of the market most of the time. People make mistakes, trading systems don't. To get started, visit our website at ExitPoints.com, contact an approved broker, and tell them you want to start trading an ExitPoint system today.